Have you ever wondered what true protection means? The kind that wraps around you like a cozy blanket every night. We're diving into an incredibly special story about bedtime prayers and how Jesus watches over us. By the end of this video, you'll understand why saying a prayer before bed can bring peace to your heart and strength to your spirit. Imagine a family, mom, dad, and 2 kids, gathering each night before bed to pray. It's a beautiful ritual that not only brings them closer to God, but also to each other. One night, as they gathered, the youngest child asked, "Mom, how does Jesus protect us?" Great question. Now picture this, the family begins to share stories from the Bible. They talk about how Jesus calmed the storm on the sea. Remember that story? The disciples were terrified, yet Jesus simply said, "Peace. Be still." And the winds and waves obeyed him. This shows us that nothing is too big for Jesus to handle. Moving on, they also remember the story of Daniel in the lion's den. Despite facing fierce lions, Daniel had faith and prayed to God. And guess what? God sent an angel to shut the lions' mouths. Can you believe that? It's a testament to how prayer can keep us safe, just as it did for Daniel. Now, let's talk about how this relates to our lives. When we say our bedtime prayers, we're remembering that no matter what happens in our day, we can feel safe knowing Jesus is with us. Have you ever felt scared before bed? What did you do? Share your experiences in the comments below. As we wrap up these bedtime stories, we encourage our viewers to take a moment each night for their own special prayer. It doesn't have to be long or fancy. Just a simple thank you to Jesus for the day and a request for his protection through the night. If you found this story meaningful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. We have more inspiring stories coming up, and we'd love for you to be a part of our family. Also, let us know in the comments what your favorite bedtime prayer is. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the importance of bedtime prayers and Jesus' protection. Stay tuned for our next video, where we dive into more heartwarming stories from the Bible. And remember, no matter where you are, Jesus is always with you. Good night, everyone.